it's time to do some seam sealer. So we have three main tools we need for this. We need the seam sealer itself and a caulking gun, a roll of toilet paper, and a finger. This is just like caulking a bathroom. Basically, like right in here, you see, this would hold water. Water gets in there, it will seep way deep underneath, and I know it's not painted under there because it was welded, you know, it came from the factory like that. So I know I need to protect that, and just painting over it's not going to be enough. So smear this in there, water won't be able to get in, and then your floor pans won't rust out so quick. Toilet papers for wiping your finger and wiping other stuff.